Here's Soulplay app AI roleplay spicy chat with AI characters. So let's just take a look. So here is the app roleplay with AI characters, discovery of fantasy, chat with no boundaries, create your own character, protect your privacy, ignite the fantasy. So let's just take a look. So you can easily create an account just by signing in with Apple or Google. So now you just have it like this here. And then I prefer interacting with who, and then you just, that's basically it. Then you just get your characters in here. So that's basically the idea. You see, you can set up your chat settings. You can enable like image background or custom backgrounds, real-time response. Then you have start new chat, delete chat, chat memories, chat settings. That's the same. And then you just start chatting. I don't know what this means, these asterisks. So there is like some little gray text, which is kind of explanation, and then there is actually a reply in a white. And then you can just update it or like basically restart the message. Then you can tap continue or describe. So yeah, that's what it is. And then you have your chats. You can also create a group chat with multiple characters. Then there is your profile. You can also get free daily gems just by claiming. So then you're just getting 5 and 8 gems per day. Then you can also here manage your account. You can enable your persona, customization, and then you have images. You can create your images. So don't know what that is. Username and yep. So that's where it is. Try out this app.